we swing. Feel that G-funk bounce. Neighbors peeking out, curious by the ounce. Custom paint, candy colors, shades of Jolly Rancher. Mini bike so sick they're calling in the can. Toolbox open wide with the riches and the prize. Chain links, sparking spark that ignites the wildfires. Hitting up the green lights.
What's up, everybody? This is Chad from the Mini Bike Builders Guild. Going over what we're going to be doing today. We have everything down to the wire today. The 1.2 ratio rockers are coming in the mail today. We're going to get that put on. We're going to get the green spring put on the torque converter so we can get some more RPMs. We'll swap the plug out for that good stuff. Put all the engine together. We're going to finish this bad boy, which has this super cool wheel and tire. You've got the gold graphics in there, hard to see when it's in the shade, but the sun, she blings right out. So we got that going on this here. Now this frame is a little unique. I just want to do something different. I kind of, had the idea of like my old snowmobile. I used to have a mountain sled and you can stand up anywhere along the thing. You hang onto your bars. That's what I wanted to be able to do here, was be able to stand anywhere. Put my feet anywhere, long rides, you get uncomfortable, so.
Started these memories, we'll keep. It's a sweat and grease, building mini bike beats in the lab, late night, no sleep, just feast. From the frame to the chrome, it's a West Coast feast. Till my rise win the prize, yeah, they gon' say capiche. It's a sweat and grease, building mini bike beats in the lab, late night, no sleep, just feast. From the frame to the chrome, it's a West Coast feast. Till my rise win the prize, yeah, they gon' say capiche.
Okay, we need to sit it on those posts.
Perfect. Just in.
Okay.
Yeah, they gon' say capiche. Yeah, they gon' say capiche. Yeah, they gon' say capiche. Yeah, they gon' say capiche.